What's up, everybody? My name is Scott and you're watching Kentucky Ballistics. We're back out on the range and I'm really excited about today's video, and you can see why. I have a chrome Tommy gun chambered in 45 ACP and we're gonna have some fun with this thing. Let's go get set up and get started. Okay, so I forgot to mention, I got my good buddy Brandon here, Texas Plinking, and he's gonna do some shooting with us today too. What are you doing in Kentucky, man?
I don't know, I was in Tennessee and I was driving through and I'm like, you know what's up north is Kentucky. And everyone knows what's in Kentucky. So after I got some KFC, I figured Scott might want to do some shooting. And so that sounds fun. Haven't shot a Tommy gun. So.
I'm always up for shooting. Yeah, I was like, yeah, man, I got to do a video on chrome Tommy gun. He was like, yeah, I'm there. So we're going to have some fun with this thing. We're going to start out with a stick mag, and then we got the 50-round drum too. So that should be fun.
Let's do it.
All right, the sights on this thing are like kind of weird, so I'll be surprised if I hit anything. I'll just start out with that shoot steel target in the middle. What? There's like no recoil.
It's too heavy to move. Yeah, it
That's
seems like
pretty
it sits
cool.
down. That thing doesn't move.
That is really cool.
That's sweet.
All right, you're next. Okay, so Brandon, he's gonna shoot this thing. By the way, I didn't even tell you what this thing is. This is made by Auto Ordnance, which is owned by Car Firearms, and they make the Tommy guns, and they are just super sweet, especially these chrome ones. They also make them in gold. Isn't there like a gold tiger stripe?
I know there's a white tiger.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, so that's like the Chicago Typewriter style here, and then they have the more GI kinds. They can SBR them if you want.
This is more your Chicago Typewriter style. I've only shot this gun one time, and it was on the Liberty Gun Safe video, and I was like, we need to show this thing some love. So
it's too pretty.
Yeah, it's too pretty to shoot. There we go.
It doesn't move.
It's sweet, right? That is awesome.
It doesn't move. You can get back on target so quick. The sights are more like suggestions.
Yeah, it's
I
like
think
it's
this
gonna
is a hip
shoot
fire.
in this general area sights.
Way cool, man.
I go through a lot of tables, but I got a big sturdy table today. All right, we're gonna mix it up a little bit today. I know normally it's just strictly fruits and vegetables over here, but I've got these blast cloud targets that were sent to me, and they're supposed to make a pretty cool like poof of color. He sent me red, white, and blue. So that's nice. So we're gonna set these up and see what they do. Now we'll really see where the point of aim is on this thing. Oh, the blue's cool. New table's already got some bullet holes in it.
It looks beautiful, though.
Yeah, that turned out really cool.
I missed my mark. I think initially on the white one, so it was.
The red was okay. The white was bad, but that blue
was pretty.
That blue was pretty.
Very nice.
Are you packing when you're traveling at concealed carry?
That's right. The gold titanium 58 Desert Eagle.
Oh, are you really?
That's right.
Well, do you have insurance? Like concealed carry insurance?
Not yet.
Ah. You need to check out USCCA. They are today's sponsor, and they offer concealed carry insurance. A lot of people conceal carry, but they don't actually think about if they're ever going to have to use it. And in a situation like that, it's good to have some people on your side. So be sure and check them out. Make sure you use my link in the description down below. All right, let's see if we can get this thing to red, white, up. There we go.
Oh, yeah. That red and blue is real nice.
Yeah, that blue works good. I've still got a few rounds though.
You might make it to 2 videos with that table.
Yeah, maybe 2. I don't think it's gonna last today, to be honest with you. All right, now we're gonna shoot some sodas. Well, not we. Brandon's gonna shoot some sodas.
I get to have the fun today. Where's Grand Thumb to operate when you need him? All right. Good?
Good.
Oh man, it pops like a 45, but it just moves like a 22.
Yeah.
It is so cool.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah.
So, you want to do the honors?
I would love to.
It's watermelon time!
Is that good? Judging by your reaction.
No, that's good. Oh no! You can't have a jam
During watermelon
during
time?
watermelon time. What is going on? Okay,
That was rocking.
that's much better. That was a lot of fun, but I think we're gonna have to break out the 50 round drum now.
I think so.
50 each, maybe?
Let's do it.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That one's gonna last. Okay, well, got the 50 round drum on here, and I have to say, this thing is really, really heavy with 50 rounds of 45 ACP. It's not full auto, but gonna try to go as fast as I can. And Brandon says you have to shoot it from the hip. It's like a rule.
It's a law.
Yeah, it's a law. You can't shoot the 50 round drum from the shoulder. It's gotta be from the hip. So here we go. Oh no, no. Woo! That will wear out your trigger finger. I slowed down quite a bit.
I imagine. I probably will too.
I was like, I'm Jerry Mitchell-Lick. No, I'm not. All right, it's Brandon's turn.
All right. I believe you, but my Tommy gun don't. Yeah, I should have put it forward. It never runs dry, man.
That one worked a lot better.
That was great. I had to switch up fingers.
All right, well, that's going to be it for today's video. I had a lot of fun with the Tommy gun. Brandon, thanks for coming out.
Dude, thanks for having me. That was a blast.
Absolutely. It's always fun to shoot someone else's ammo. I mean, any chance you get.
That is true. That is true. If you happen to come by Texas, I'll probably get you back.
Okay, I'll come when I swing through. You can just repay the favor.
Sounds good.
Okay. Hey, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure and give it a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And speaking of subscribing, go check out Texas Plinking. I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description down below, along with all my social media. And you got Instagram and stuff?
That's right.
Okay, I'll throw those in there too, so check those out. As always, my name is Scott. Thank you so much for watching Kentucky Ballistics, and I'll see you next time.